What's up, fellow realtors and tech junkies? Today we are unboxing the ATEM Mini, and I'm giving it away to one lucky winner. So we are going to get into the ATEM Mini today. This is a 4-camera HDMI switcher. Basically, we'll take 4 HDMI cameras and turn them into a webcam, essentially, because this has a USB out that you plug into your computer, and then you just switch back and forth 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch back and forth between your camera inputs or other devices as well. As long as it's got an HDMI, it can come through here just like that as a video source. Now, it's been sitting around my studio. I actually bought this brand new almost 2 years ago, actually. And as the busy real estate professional that I am, I never got around to creating a video like this for it. So it's actually still new in the box. Got it from B&H Photo and Video, I believe. And I have since discovered that I would much rather have the ATEM Mini Pro ISO, and I just bought one of those recently from B&H. So I'm no longer going to have a need for the ATEM Mini, and I thought I'll go ahead, do the unboxing video because I always wanted to get that part of it done, and I'll just give it away to one of you lucky viewers. So I'll have in the description below what you need to do to be considered for the drawing for the ATEM Mini so that you can win it. I will ship it to you. It will be totally free to you. No shipping, handling, anything like that. I'll take care of it all. Just briefly, you have to be a subscriber to this YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. You do all 4 of those things and you'll be included in the drawing, and I will draw from the people that did all 4 of those things. All right, but I will have those details in the description below. So let's get into it. All right, we have the ATEM Mini Powerful Live Production Switcher designed for exciting YouTube live streaming and business presentations via Skype. Skype, not sure about that. That is old technology. Does anybody still use Skype anymore? Comment below. Let me know if you still use Skype, because that is kind of an old thing. All right, so we're going to get this open here. And we've got some thick foam keeping this protected. We have a little welcome pamphlet. See what that's all about. Online manual, latest software, learn more. So ATEM does have some software that goes along with the ATEM Mini and all of the ATEM Mini devices, actually. And it unlocks some other features that are only available through the software. So definitely want to check that out. Also have DaVinci Resolve 16 for free because that DaVinci Resolve is a Blackmagic product as well. And hey, look at this. I got a cool sticker in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and include that too. So whoever wins this will get the sticker. I won't keep it, I promise. All right, we got a power cable here, our wall wart type cable, and then we have the plug that goes into the device itself, and it screws on securely, so we don't have to worry about that getting pulled out. All right, so we got that, and then of course we have our different country adapters. There's our USA, America adapter right there. So good to go. There's 2 of them there, actually. That's why that looked funky. Okay, so we got that. And then the other ones, I have no idea what goes to what country. Not my kind of thing. All right. And then we actually have the ATEM device. It's surprisingly heavy, actually. I know these things are made out of some plastic and some metal. I just assumed that it was more plastic than metal. And Just thought that it would be very light, but it's actually got some good weight to it. So that is nice. We're going to take the box and get it set aside. Yeah, so like I said, good weight to it. You got rubber pads here, so it won't slip. Sits there nice, got good feel to the buttons. And yeah, all the buttons. Very nice. We've got our transition effects over here, duration for the transition effects. Got picture in picture and your microphone inputs for microphone 1 and 2. You can have it either on or off, and then these arrows are to adjust the volume. And so we've got mic 1, mic 2, HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is HDMI out. So this would go out to your video source. Or I can use this webcam out, and that's a USB-C that I can take to my computer. And now all 4 of these cameras would be considered one webcam according to how my computer reads it, and I can just switch back and forth between the views. So pretty handy. As far as where a realtor might use this, probably not going to be many realtors that would use this. But if you're a tech junkie like I am, and you're a real estate agent, and you're getting into video, and you're getting into video podcasting and that sort of thing, then this would actually be great for you because it allows you to get a more interesting podcast by having different camera views. Okay, and then we have our ATEM control here, and this is Ethernet. So you would run a Cat 5, Cat 6 cable from your PC into this, and then this will actually allow this to speak to the computer back and forth and run the ATEM software. And the ATEM software would then take over and control some of the things on here. The hardware would still work, obviously. Like if I had the software up, I could hit 1. The software would show me that 1 was hit. And so you can control this either from the hardware device or from the software. And that's what that ATEM control is for. And then we have our power cable. So this goes in like this, and then it screws on. So it's nice and tight and can't be pulled out. That is fantastic. All right, that's it for the unboxing of the ATEM Mini by Blackmagic. Not going to do any kind of review or demo or anything like that. YouTube is flooded with plenty of great videos on how to use the ATEM Mini products. If you want to go check out Tom Buck, he's somebody that I follow all the time. Love his videos. He's fun to watch. Got all kinds of quirky humor, which I actually appreciate, Tom. I think he's great. Don't stop it. All right. Or Aaron Parecki. He actually even has a 3D printed stand for this that he offers for sale as well. So go check out one of those guys. They have awesome videos on how the ATEM Mini actually works. But as far as this video goes, that's going to do it. It was just an unboxing, and to let you know that I want to give it away now. Give it away to one of you lucky viewers. All you have to do is follow the rules in the description below. And hey, while you're at it, it's going to be one of the rules anyway. Why don't you just like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're getting value out of the content, and ding that notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload new content just like this. And I will even have more giveaways coming shortly. So thanks for watching. Good luck. And as always, have fun and explore the technology.